بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. All praise due to Allah, and my peace and blessings be upon His Messenger, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. And quickly, just to make sure that we got the right class. So tonight is the 19th of Jumaadaa Al-Uulaa, 1446, and it is the 20th of November 2024. This is the concise presentation of Fiqh, episode 97, and it is Well Inheritance, part 9. Jazakallah. Right, I'm just, for those who are upstairs, I'm going to go through the question, and the question is the mock exam, and we are on question number 9. Question number 9. Right, so I'll put the question here for me, say it, and I will share it as well. If I share it, you're not going to see the solution, so I'm sorry. A woman leaving a husband, a mother, daughter, and a maternal sister. You're supposed to be solving the question already. So, you haven't got any notes, have you, from those? Nothing. No, you have, but he hasn't got any. What questions? You're asking this question. The question is not with me. Question is not with me, so I don't know what to do. This is what you're talking about? Yes. Yeah. This question. You have to come close here, I used to. No, he didn't. Wow. Right. Well, that's the problem, you see, when we. Yeah, you're not. You didn't come here, so you didn't come. I know. Yeah, the show. So, what should I do? Shall I put the question on the board? Or is there any way to put the question on the board apart from that HDMI? No. Like, yeah, the problem, I've got some people watching, so I'm really sorry. This. Oh dear. Right. Let me see. So if I could transfer to the screen, yeah? Yeah, I can do that. Right. Okay, simple. Duplicate. Yeah. 2 weeks ago. No, that day, that's it. No, you said you know how to know. You said No, come on. But you're not the only one. You don't have the mobile app. You can't assume something. You don't have the mobile app. Just a question here. I'm just doing duplicate to the screen. It's not getting anything. Okay, no, I'm going to do it now. Only 1 week, we said. Right. I'm saying duplicate here. Look. Oh, okay. Right. I'll send it upstairs. Okay. Right. Technology is not happiness. We've done up to a question of rates. So if you have your notes, I've forgotten my file to give you more notes. And that was a mistake, my fault. Yeah. Okay, we'll just go to the question number 9. You want to have more of these papers? Yeah. That would help for the answers. Question number 9. Do you have any? Can you give them more, please? You've got lots of it. Yeah, I've got them. Yeah. Right. Question number 9 is saying, I'm going to read it. A woman died. She's leaving a husband. That's the question at the top. I'll put it there for you. Okay. Let me just even enhance it. Okay, a woman died, leaving a husband, a mother, a daughter, and a maternal sister. So you draw a timetable always, and then you ask the questions. So here we have a woman who died. She left a husband, so I'm going to put H for the husband. And I'm going to put a mother. I'm going to put a daughter. So I'm going to put a maternal sister. Now, if you don't have that sheet, this one, you're going to be unable not solve, because sadly you have a couple, you haven't solved. You didn't. There's a group there, isn't it? Yeah. And in that group, there is maybe that one.
Yeah, because you sent the full
document. The full document in the group.
In the last.
So if you said you're in the group, you will find that document as well.
This one.
Go to the group, you'll find the document.
The full document. In the group. What's that group?
He's not in the group, man.
I sent you the invite. You didn't accept it.
Well, I accepted it, but it's expired.
Have you got it? So you got it. Right, so Allah musta'an. Right, mother. Okay, so the question mark is on the mother. How much is the mother going to take? Always, I'll ask myself the following question: is there anybody who is ineligible? That means you cannot inherit whatsoever. To take him out of the equation? No, everybody's eligible. Now come to the second question, because it's all of it about eliminating to make it simple. Is there anybody who is, we call him completely deprived, completely prevented? Anybody want to tell me complete prevention? Looking at your notes, no. I'm not saying yes or no until everybody looks. What's that? I'm saying there is nobody complete prevention. So let me just ask somebody on the line. Can you hear me on the line? Can anybody tell me if there is any complete prevention there? I can't see who's putting his hands up. Whoever is able to unmute. Ahmed, you have to give the unmute to everybody. Can anybody tell me who is completely prevented? I know Ahmed will know the answer. You haven't got the notes? What is it? A person who wants to study, he has to be eager. So, not just like leave it at home. We can't answer the question. You have to have the notes. Right, Ahmed, what's the answer?
The last one.
Ahmed, can you hear me, please?
Yes, Sheikh, the last one.
No, don't say the last one. Give me the answer.
Well, I can't remember what the last one is and I can't see it, Sheikh. I'm sorry.
You can't see it. You can't see the questions. On board?
No, it's too small.
Too small. Right. Okay. So I don't know what to do, my dear. I don't know what to do. Let me just see if it can really.
You sharing the screen?
No, I'm not sharing it because you see that when I share it, it just makes it. Can you see the screen now, Ahmed?
Yes, Sheikh. We can see the document.
Yeah. So who's that?
It will be the maternal sister.
Who deprived the maternal sister?
The maternal sister would be blocked by the husband.
So you can give the answer without giving me the right reason. I mean, this is called cheating. Everybody else, you're not right. I agree with you, completely prevented. Husband doesn't prevent anybody.
Oh, sorry, it's the daughter. Sorry.
You have to be really sorry, really, very sorry. How can the husband or the wife prevent anybody? Nobody prevents. Husband and wife will prevent nobody, and cannot be blocked by nobody. I'm disappointed. Right. So the branch, any branch. You notice that in your rules? Yes?
Yeah, I got it wrong.
So have you noticed from your notes?
Yeah.
You look at the maternal sister, any branch, whether it's a female or a male, branch means sons or daughters. The sons here doesn't matter how far they go down, daughters how far they go down. So that's the one who prevents this one. So we're left with three. Now we're left with three. The problem here, when you look at this now, we've got now who is completely. Third question, give the shareholders their shares, and what remains goes to the agnates. I need to know and figure out who is the agnate and who is the shareholder. Question: is there any share agonies in this equation? Taking the maternal sister out, you're left with a husband and mother and a daughter. Is there any agony? Agony receive the remains. I want to answer from somebody who is confident to say to me, I've taught this number of times. Agony. I thought, I used to. You don't read the notes. Right. Anybody from the online answer the question? I can't see, by the way, who's putting his hands up. Remember, you're sharing the document. Ahmad, can you tell me, is the agony? No. Right. We said there are 15 types of inheritors from the males, and 10 types of inheritors from the female. But I have to listen to me. Forget about the notes. We said 15 types of inheritors. You have to memorize this. And 10 types of the female. We said all males are agnates, save the following two. Who are they? All of them agnate receive the remaining except for two. Husband, the shareholder. How can you make him an agnate? You remember the quarter and the half? You already forgot. And also maternal brother. He's from the mother side. He is a shareholder. And the rest are agnates. There is one of them who can play double. Who is that? Agnate and a shareholder. Who is that? The father and the ones afterwards. Father and the father. Father and the ones, so we could say, we call him male origin. Any male origin can play both roles. But the rest are agnates. All females are something except for one who is an agnate. All females are what? Shareholders. Except for one who is an agnate. Who is the agnate? Dr. Asafi will be his favorite. Female emancipate. Now you suddenly remember, female emancipate. She's the only agnate. Male emancipator, female emancipator are all of them agnate. Emancipator is the one who set the one who was deceased. He was a slave, he set him free a long time ago. He set him free, so that master or that mistress are agnates, receive the remaining, they're not shareholders. Right. So again the question here, is there any agnates in this equation? Husband, shareholder or an agnate? Question. Shareholder, mother, shareholder or an agnate? Female, daughter, child or agnate? Shareholder or agnate? Shareholder, isn't she? Daughter. So is there any agnate in this equation? We said shareholder. Is there any agnate? I thought was any agnate? No. That's what I'm not saying. Now we understand. When we don't have an agnate, it's a problem of one. Because if you have an extra, where are you going to give it to? Or less, where are you going to give it to? Do you understand me? So we have no agnate. So what are the shareholders? Husband? Yalla Yusuf, how much is the husband? What is easy? Husband is either a half or a. Well, listen, don't memorize like this. Husband, half or a quarter. If there is any branch, he's a quarter. Any branch? Yeah. So he's a quarter. Simple like this, without notes. Mother, she's got three. Either she is a sixth, or she is a third, or she is Umariyatan. To Umari case. So here in this mother, is she sixth or a third? You look at the branches of the mother, you have to open the mother and you'll see quickly. Sixth. Why? Because of the branch. So she takes a sixth. And the daughter, no, there's no son with her, there is no half. Now you have to memorize it. Depending upon the notes, you're not going to work. Half. So if I'm going to make the common denominator here, that is 12. That's 3, that's 2, and that's 6. Add these together, makes it 11 over what? 12. So now remember, if there was an agnate, you could take the 1 over 12, isn't it? But there's no agnate. Is there? So we're going to return the 112 onto the equation. We said this is called rad, meaning returning have extra. That means this is less than 1. The 1 is the full estate. 11 or 12. Got left 1 over 12, we have to put it back onto those who are inheritors. Look, rad. Rad has got 2 cases. There's a husband or a wife, or there is no husband or a wife. This is the case where there is what? Husband or a wife. It's a husband. Because the return goes only to the blood relationship. Nothing goes to the marriage relationship. So the 112 does not go to any husband or wife. So the share of the husband stays what? How much? 3 over 12, which is a quarter. Still the same. 1 over 12 is going to be shared by the mother and the daughter. How? According to their shares. First of all, what is left here after 3 over 12? Make it easy. What is if it's a quarter? It's a quarter. What is left here? 3 quarters, isn't it? So this is a 3 quarters going to be multiplied by what is here. Okay. Now, we're going to move the 12. So here between 6 and between the half and the 6, what is the common denominator? 6. 6 by the 6 is 1. 6 by the 2 is what? 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Correct? Please with me. We change that into 4. So the mother now is a quarter multiplied by 3 quarters. The daughter is 3 quarters multiplied by 3 quarters. Let's just see. It has to give to 1 now. So we said a quarter here. This one is going to be 3 over 16. Am I right or not? Look, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. This one is 9. 3 more than 3, 9 is over 16. Correct? 4 by 4, 16. Is that equal to 1? Let's just see. What is this over 16? That's 4 over 16. Correct? A quarter. And this, how much is that? 16 over 1? 16. 7 plus 9, 16. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Difficult, you know why? Because you didn't come to one of the classes. Yes, it does make it difficult. Believe me. But we talked about rand and hour last week. So this is how you do the rand. So I'm going to give you an example like this so you can really make sure that you understand it. So if a person died, and that's a male, he left a wife. The person left a wife, left a mother and a daughter. Another person died, he left a mother and a daughter. This is all of it just to recap on things that we've done before, just to make sure that you understand. In both cases here, everybody is eligible. In both cases, there is nobody who is completely prevented. Okay? Now you know that there is no agnes in both cases. When you have no agnes, you have a problem. Durant or out. Right, so in this case, can I ask you, sir, please, how much is the shareholder the wife? You have to give me a right answer. So you, see, look, again, we said the husband either quarter or a half. Correct? The wife is half, either an eighth or a quarter. Do you understand that? So if there's a branch, the wife takes an eighth. If there's no branch, she takes a full quarter. That's how you memorize. How much is the wife? An eighth. Regardless of how, even if there were 4 wives, let's say it's 4 wives, they share the eighth. Okay? I'm just putting 4 wives. Full, mashallah, full meter. And they take the one, they share the 1 over 8. The mother, she takes either a third or a sixth, half of a third, or a umariyatan. It's not a umariyatan. If there's a branch, or 2 sisters or more, she gets a sixth. Simple. That's a sixth. The daughter always she her own, she takes a half. So again, if we make the common denominator, that's what is that? 24, isn't it? By 8 is 3, by 6 is 4, by 2 is 12. Am I right or am I wrong? Right, so how much is that at the top? 7 plus 12 is 19. 19 over 24, that's less than 1. Make out. The owl, sorry, make right. Right, we only return to the blood relationship. Wife and husband, they take nothing. So the 1 over 8 stays there. How much is left here after the 1/8? How much is left to be shared? If we take an 8, how much is left, ikhwan? 7/8, Allah musta'an. 7 over 8, because you make it 1 over 8, it's been 7. We take an 8 from this state, we live in what? 7 or 8, that's simple. 7 or 8 multiply by what we're going to do here between them. 6.5. What is the common denominator? Please, 6. 6 by 6 is 1. 6 by 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Change that into 4. Okay, simple. So now, we've got now an 8 still here. And now, can you just tell me, Thaqib, what is the share of the mother?
So it's going to be,
Watch. What are you going to say?
so we're going to times that by 7, 8.
Yes. Multiply the top. Multiply the bottom.
Yeah, so it's going to be 7 over 30.
32. Well done. And the daughter? 21 over 32. Correct. Is that now going to be 1 or not? Of course. How much is that out of the 32? 4 over 32. Correct? Add this thing together. There's something wrong, isn't it? Is it? 32. That's right. I'm just saying. Some people can't add 32 over 32. Yes? Or plus 7, 11. 11 plus 21 is 32. Is that right? This case, there's no husband and wife. A mother, she takes a 6. A daughter, she takes a half. Again, 6.5 is not 1. It's less than 1. We make out. So the common denominator is 6. 6 by 6 is 1. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Change the common denominator to 4. That's the share. So the mother now, she's a quarter. The daughter, she's 3/4. Is that understood? Now we've got the run. It's called sorry. The run is being explained. I used to, you understood it now. Khalas. That's called run. Right. Let's go to question. What does question number? Can you see Ahmad the board, by the way?
No, Sheikh, we can only see your laptop.
Yeah, that's the problem. I'm writing. I don't know how to vote. Because you see the question and you don't see the question. If you got the question, everybody, then I can just take the question off from here, and then you have the questions. So how to the questions should be shared because I've sent it to the group. What should I do, Ahmed? Shall I take this off?
It's up to you, Sheikh.
Yeah, I'll just take it off. Right, question number 10. Have the question sheet, please. Question number 10, a man died, leaving a father, a mother, 2 sons, 2 daughters, and a male emancipator. What is the share of each daughter? Right, so I'm going to put here the equation according to the question. Simple as that. So we've got man died, leaving a father. He's the one who hasn't done it yet. He's trying to do it. What I'm doing is mother. And I've got 2 sons. And I've got 2 daughters. And a male emancipator. Right. This is the one equation. Simple, really simple. What is the right answer? I got A, B, C. Now let's just see that we've got one answer correct. Right, first of all, the question is there anybody who is not inside the equation that's called ineligible? No, everybody's eligible. All of those are inheritance. Is there anybody completely prevented? Let's ask. Hi, Ibrahim. Man, who blocks the kids? Huh? The son. And who else as well? No. Shareholder doesn't block him. Father. So origin, male origin, or male branch. So it's completely different. So we're left with this. What's the question? What is the share of what? One daughter, two daughters? No, the one daughter, two daughters.
But there are two daughters.
What is the share of six? What the question? So one daughter I want. Question is one daughter. I don't want the share of two daughters, one each daughter. Right. So simple. First, you have to acknowledge, you have to identify who is the shareholder, who is the aggregate. Because it says, give the shareholders their shares, and what remains goes to the aggregate. Can anybody tell me who is the aggregate in this equation? Please watch what you're going to say. Tell us. Who's the aggregate? SubhanAllah. Yalla Ahmed, who is the aggregate? Yeah, well, you have the question in front of you. The ones who got the question in front of them, they have it. Can we share it? Can we share the question sheet into the question, the chat, yeah, Ahmed?
No, Sheikh. I don't think
Huh?
we can do that. No, no.
No, we can't. I don't know what to do, wallahi.
But what I could do is put it on the Telegram and then share the link. Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, share the link with the question. So, right. Who's the aggregate one? Well done. Daughters and the son. This is called aggregation what? With others or by others, isn't it? Yes? AEO, aggregations by others, not with others. Others are women with women. And so the daughters agnates with the sons, because they're both brothers and sisters. And they agnate. So those are the ones who are going to receive the remaining. Shareholders are the following. Remember, the father plays both roles, shareholder and an agnate. And the mother, she's a female, she's a shareholder. How much is the father, ya ikhwan? 1/6. Correct. So 1/6 only receives the remaining. The agnate. What about the mother? Simple, simple. Your mother, as I said, you remember there was either third or a sixth, or it's not six. Six. But you know, got branches. That's a sixth. Right. So you've got sixth and a sixth, and the remaining is going to be here how much? How much is left here? 1/6 plus 1/6, how much is that? Huh? So what is remaining 4/6? Plus 1/6 plus what? 2/6 minus 6/6 is 4/6. So they're gonna share 4/6. Correct? How do they share 4/6 here? How many shares do we have? How many shares do we have? Males and females. Son is double share of the female, correct? So each son 2 shares, and each daughter's 1 share. So how many total shares we got? 6 shares, because 4 plus 2, 6 shares. So how much of the son? I mean, you don't have to calculate the son. We're not going to do it for a second. You calculate the daughter. How much of the, say, 2 shares multiplied by 2? That's 4/6. Correct? The 2 sons. And these are the ones 2/6. Correct? Because total 6. 6. These 2 daughters 2/6. 4 sons, each one 2 shares. 4/6. So the 2 daughters going to be this multiplied by this. 2 daughters is equal to 2/6 multiplied by 4/6. Correct? What am I wrong? You understand what I'm doing? Okay. 2/6 multiplied. How much is that? And just 2 by 4 is 8. 8 by 6 by 6, 36. Correct? So 1 daughter, how much is that? Half of that. How much is that? 4/36. What is the correct answer we have there? What is the correct answer out of those?
About 1/9. C.
That's the one.
Yes. So 1/9. Correct. Yes, divide by 4, divide by 4. Is that understood now? You understand that, Yusuf? Good. Right? Simple questions. Let's go to question number what? The question number what is? 11, huh? Question number 11. Can you just give me that, please, the equation? That's question number 11. Give me read the question, please.
A man died leaving 4 wives
Okay, man died, he left 4 wives. Yes.
and a daughter of son.
And the daughter of the son?
Was a total share for wives.
Simple, isn't she? So you've got 4 wives, daughter of a son. Come on, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to solve it. What is the share of the what? 4 wives here. I need to not calculate anything.
1 6.
180.
1 8. 1 8.
That
1 8. 1 8. Yes.
1 8. I know that the daughter of the son share is a half, but it doesn't matter because whatever is remaining is going to be to her because it's called run. So she will receive 7 or 8. But I'm not concerned about them. The question is here. So let me see the one over 8. 4 wives. Is that understood? Simple as that. Question number 12. Yes, yeah.
A woman died leaving a mother,
Mother.
full father, a full brother, sorry. Full
I like
brother
that full father. Full brother
and a full sister.
and a full sister.
The mother then died.
We've got now double equation. I'm going to give you 2 minutes for that. Mother, full brother, full sister. Okay, so the person died. He left his mother, left his full brother, left his full sister.
Mother died.
Then the mother died after that. When she died, she left who?
Only the share she inherited from her daughter.
So she got this mother when she died. She's got the share that she inherited from that equation. And there will be another equation. What is that? Anybody to give me that second equation? What's going to be? When the mother dies, who's going to be left here? You have to interpret the equation. Think. Person died, left his mother and full brother and full sister. Then the mother dies. We want to know how much to share here. The mother dies. Who's to be left with? That's it. Not full brother and sister. This full brother is going to be the son, isn't he? The son of the mother. Is that understood? And the full sister, she's the daughter. Because the mother, when she died, what is the relationship between this and the mother? It's her son, isn't it? We left with the son and the daughter. So what is the share of what?
Full sister.
The full sister. That means the full sister has her share here, her share here. Addition.
Yet after the death of
Hello. Her share here and her share here.
It says after the death of both her sister and mother.
Yeah, they're both their sister, because with the daughter, because her sister died. So her mother first, or the person who died, the woman, is her sister, and that's share, and the share after her mother dies. So the share. So we got share 1 and share 2. Do you understand? Add them together. You got the equation now? So we need to solve first of all this equation to know how much the mother takes. We put that there. And we multiply it by that share here. And how much is the son? How much? Okay. So when the first equation took place, as a woman, she died. She left her mother, her full brother, her full sister. Correct? Look at me. Don't look at the question. Look at me. Go on, in fact, look at me. Right. First of all, is there any illegible here? No. Is anybody completely prevented? No. Give the shareholders their shares, and what remains of the agnate. Can anybody tell me who's the agnate here? Who's the agnate? Who takes the remaining in this equation? Sorry? Agnate. Mother can never be agnate. Never ever mother can be agnate. So it's just like you remember the daughter of the son? Yeah, the full sister and the full brother. The agnate is called agnation by others. You have to understand what is the agnation. A, B, O. So they receive the remaining. Who is the shareholder? The mother. How much is the mother here? 6 or a third? Why 6? Because 2 of any brothers. So 2 of any brothers or more, then there is 6. You have to go to your notes to understand that. 6. So we left how much is here the remaining? 5/6. So multiply that by 5/6. Between the full brother and the full sister, we say the remaining. Right? So this is the remaining. Right. Full brother and full sister, female is half of your children. So you've got always, you've got this and this, you've got 2/3 and 1/3, correct? Because there are 2 shares for those, 1 share for a full share of 3. He takes the 2 shares, takes 1 share, correct? So that in this equation, first of all, we know that the mother, she got a 6, correct? Correct or not? And we talked as well here, the full sister, she takes how much in this equation? 5 over what? 5/6 multiplied by 1/3. How much is that? 5/18. You understand that? But from the first equation, I got the full sister, 5/18. Now we go to the second equation. We've got the son and the daughter. Some of the daughter, they agnate by others. ABO. Again, that's 2/3, and that's 1/3, correct? Multiplied by what? Can anybody tell me? Multiplied by what? By the mother's share. How much is the mother's share? 4/6. Because the mother, she died. She left. She only had the shares. Her share is 1/6. I'm putting the 6 of hers. The 6 multiplied by that gives us the daughter. How much is that going to be? 1 over what? 18. Can you? 1/6 by 1. So you add this to that. How much we left? Got 6/18. And what is the answer then? Which answer it is? 6/18. C. C. You got it? 6/18 is C. That's the total of that. So if we knew how much the first person who died, which is the female here, let's say she's got 1,800, then the share of this is 6/18 multiplied by 1,800. You understand that? So this is the share of whatever the first person has got. And you would be with Yusuf. So the first person who died, which is the female who died, she left the mother. Let's say she's got 1,800. Her estate is 1,800 pounds. Okay, 1,800 pounds. So which is 1,800. So the share of the here, which is this one, her sister, which is the daughter of this, her sister, full sister, is 6/18 multiplied by 1,800. Do you understand that? You won't follow me or yeah. Okay. Right, so this is an equation which involves 2. Oh, it involves 2 is a bit difficult. Right, let's go to the other one. What's the following question? Question number 1. 13? Yeah, we've got 2 questions, isn't it? 13, 14, 3 questions. Give me question number 13.
Which of the following is known as a donkey case?
Donkey case. So give me the cases, please. Case number 8.
Right, we got husband, mother of mother, and 2 maternal sisters.
And 2 maternal sisters. M-T-S. That's 2 maternal sisters. Correct?
Yeah.
B.
Wife,
Mother.
maternal sister,
Maternal sister. Maternal brother.
and maternal sister.
And maternal sister.
C is
C.
husband,
Mother.
maternal sister,
Maternal sister.
maternal brother,
Maternal brother.
and full sister.
And full sister.
Last one is
Last one.
husband,
Mother of the
mother,
mother.
maternal sister,
Maternal sister.
maternal brother,
Maternal brother.
full sister, and full brother.
Full sister. And full brother. Correct? Right. I know it already. Why? Because it's easy to know. What is a donkey case? Donkey case is what happened at the time of Umar ibn Khattab. When you have the full brothers or full sisters receiving nothing, whereas the maternal brother, the maternal sister receives something.
And we know that the full brothers and the full sisters are related to the deceased more than the ones who are related by the mother's side, because they're full. You understand what I'm saying? Again, person dies. Who is closer to him? Sister from the mother's side or the sister from both father and mother? Which one is closer? Well, in this case, the one from the both, she'll take nothing. Okay? Or the full brother, who is related from both, will take nothing. Whereas those will take something. So that's what we want to understand which one. So if you look at the first one, husband, mother of the mother, two maternal sisters. It's not a donkey case straight away because there's nobody deprived here. There's no full brothers or maternal sisters. So if there is no full brother or full sisters, that's not the case. Okay, so it's not the donkey case. Why is it called donkey? Remember? Do you remember? Is that the full brothers and the full sisters, they came to Umar Khattab, from the least one who are related to the deceased from the mother's side. They take something, and we are related from both sides, take nothing. Consider our father a donkey. We don't want our father donkey. We are just related from the mother's side. So we could relate. Khattab said, oh, you're right. So he gave them the share altogether to share what is remaining. He did not deprive him. And then later on he changed his mind. No, you have to inherit from one way. Either you are agnate or you are shareholders. Cannot be both, like the father and the father of the father. But so this one hasn't got full brothers or sisters, cannot be donkey. This one hasn't got full brothers or sisters, cannot be. So you're left with this and this. This one has got full sister. And this one's got full sister and full brother. This one cannot be, because the full sister, she inherits. It's the full brother is the one who makes agnation. Right, so let's just show you how it's the case. I'm going to put here, husband, mother of the mother, the grandmother of the person, maternal sister, which is the sister from the mother's side, maternal brother, which is the brother from the mother's side, the deceased. Maternal brother, and full brother and full sister. Okay, which is this case. Let's see why it's donkey case. Here, those are the brother and the sister from both sides, mother and father to the deceased. These are the ones who are related to the deceased by the mother side, or maternal sister from the mother side, maternal brother from the mother side. Okay. Right. Is there anybody who is completely prevented? Is anybody illegible? Nobody illegible. Is it completely prevented? Everybody, there's no complete prevention, because the full brother does not prevent these ones, nor prevents anything. As we said, the mother of the mother does not prevent anything. Give the shareholders, give the shares, and one remains the agony. The agonies in this equation are these two. Because it's called agnation with others, a brother with a sister. Can you see that? A, B, O. Full sister and full brother, agnation. Can you see the remaining? Right, Thaqib, husband, how much? Husband cannot be husband 6. It's a part of 4s and 8s. It cannot be 6 and 4. How much, anybody? 1/4, because it's no. Half. There's no branch. There's no daughters or children. There's no half. Mother of the mother, ya Habib. She's never going to be 3rd. She's going to be 6. Can you just say louder? You don't need no. 6. 1/6. Mother of the mother. Right. Maternal sister, maternal brother. How much is that? 1/6 plus 1/6. According to your equations. Because the maternal brother, maternal is 6, 6. Regardless how many they are, they share 1/3. 2 6, okay? So 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6, how much is that? How much is that, Yakhwani? Half of a 6 or 6 or 6. 100. So it's equal 1. So how much is left from the estate? Nothing. So R is equal 0. That's why it's called donkey case. So these guys, they came to Umar and said, how come that these got 6 to 6? We got nothing, and we are related more to the deceased. Consider our father as a donkey. Consider our father as a stone, for the stone case. consider our father is the river. He's been thrown in the river case. All those cases called stone, donkey, river because of this. But this Umar Khattab later on he said, no, you have to share nothing. You see here, if I took the full brother out, it will not be donkey case, which is this one. Remember that one? It cannot be. Why? Because the full sister she will inherit. Not anybody who's inherit. How much inheritance is there? If there's no full brother, this is what we call this full brother is a bloody brother, no good brother. Why? Because he made the full sister the pride. He was not existing. She will inherit. How much inherit? Share. There is no daughter, Ikhwan. So how much is her share? She's like a daughter. Half. How can we give her a half when we got nothing? We make something that's called what? Aun. What is aun? Demolish each one share according to them. So what is the common denominator between this, all of that? 6, correct? Hello? 6, correct? 6 by 2. 6 by 2. 3. That's the husband. 6 by 6, 1. That's mother or mother. 6 by 6, 1. 6 by 6 is 1. 6 by 2, 3. That's a full sister. Can you see that? It's the full sister. Right? Right. So 3 plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 3. Change that to 9. So the shares become 3 over 9, 1 over 9, 1 over 9, 1 over 9. The full sister we should take 3 over 9. Okay? Wallahu ta'ala a'lam. By this, give you more homework. Question number 15, inshallah, next week. We'll finish, inshallah. Yeah. Yalla, ya Sheikh. You done the Idhan, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.